Hi, so now we are actually at Park Nine Suvarnabhumi hotel. It's actually sort of like an airport hotel. It's about 10-15 minutes drive away from the international airport. So as like an airport hotel, they actually do provide shuttle for you to commute between the two places, hotel and the airport. So actually every 2 hours, every day, the whole day, every 2 hours, it will transport from here to airport. So if you want free shuttle, we can actually take that. If not, you just grab. It's just quite near as well. And this hotel actually comes with free complimentary welcome drink. It's like a coupon thing, so you can enjoy the whole day during a stay here at the lobby lounge. Okay, this hotel also features quite a nice pool, which we will take a look in a while, and also quite a small gym, I think. But we will not be going lah, so we'll maybe just take a quick clip for you to see. Okay, and nothing really around here. We don't really see much like shopping mall, whatever. But from what we Google, the nearest mall I think would actually be the Siam Premium Outlet mall, which is about half an hour away. So there's a lot of premium outlet shopping, some food as well. So that's one thing for you to consider. Okay, so we booked actually this deluxe room. It's actually sort of like second category. So it's a 30 square meter room. Let's check it out now. So welcome to the room. 30 square meters, not very big, but it's fine. So once you come in, right, remember to put your card key here to activate the electricity. So the buttons to do not disturb make up the room is all here. Air conditioning right here. And opposite, this is where you put some storage cabinet. I'm not going to open. Just our wardrobe here. Standard amenity lah. The bedroom slipper is just flimsy kind, so if you want those very good ones, please bring your own. Okay? And right opposite is where the toilet is. Okay, they have a separated wet and dry area. So this is a dry area. The blind here, you can actually control right over here to close, to have some privacy. Mirror, and the amenities is all here. Okay, it's their own brand, I guess, Silhouette. Okay, so it's not inside the shower area, you have to bring this in, okay? And the amenity kit is all here. Towels right above. Okay, let's check out the wet area. So very basic, it's just a freestanding shower, rain shower, hand shower. Once again, there's no amenities here. Remember to bring it from the side basin area. Okay, let's head over to the pantry area. So the minibar and pantry area is right here. Some food items. They actually have some price list here. Let's take a look. Okay, Coca-Cola per can is 60 baht. So that's about what? $2-ish? $2.50, $3? About there. Okay, well, there's no convenience store outside, so if you really want it, have it. It's not too bad. Okay, and the main fridge is right below. Start with the items as well, yeah? That's where you find the canned drink. Okay, coffee kettle right here, bottled water. Okay, moving back, this is where the bedroom area is. So it is come with a twin bed. I'm not sure they have a king option, but what we have is actually the twin bed option. Okay, on both sides, there'll be some charging points, but do take note, they do not have those 3-pin plug, the one that we have in Singapore. So bring along your international plug for those gonna charge yourself. Okay, light switches at the both sides, and it comes with single pillow only. So if you want, I don't know, call them. Well, I'm not sure if they provide you more. Okay, and right opposite the bed, and this is where you find the TV. It's quite a modern TV, I think. Yep, quite nice actually. So if you want to output whatever thing, HDMI, you can do so. Just plug it in. Okay? And here, some seat for you to lounge here, but I'm not sure why you want to lounge here lah. Just go to the pool. Okay, and right beside here, this is where the work desk is, or your vanity area, whatever you call it. Okay? Here's some information. They do have in-room dining as well. So there's a QR code for you to scan. Just scan. And if you want to order, you have to do the manual way by calling them. Okay? And right here is the balcony. You look out to where the entrance to the lobby is. Yep. Okay, not too bad lah. But of course, I would still prefer pool view lah. Okay, so once again, this is a deluxe room. 30 square meters. We are actually at the Park Nine Suvarnabhumi Airport Hotel. Okay. Yep, 30 square meters. Okay, so that's about it for this room tour. If you are looking for more content like this, a little bit more detail of other properties, you can check it out over there. Okay, more over there. Don't forget to subscribe just right below. Subscribe, you'll help us with your algorithm. Till next time, bye bye.